These are the contents of the box when you open up the HP Smart Tank Plus 655 all-in-one printer. Let us now take out the contents and show you how the printer looks like. This is the HP Smart Tank Plus 655 all-in-one printer after you have taken it out from the box. Let's take a look at its contents. So it's got some HP printheads and ink information. This is the regulatory information. It's got the reference guide, a startup guide, as well as some information on moving printer. It's got one power cord. Over here we have a set of tank system printheads, one for black and one for tri-color. And here are the ink bottles that you need to fill out. Do take note that there is no USB cable nor any CD software in box. Let us remove the tapes. The next step of the setup is to power on your printer. Plug one end of the power cable into the wall socket and plug the other end into the back of the printer. Turn on the power at the wall socket and power on the printer. The power button is right over here. Once the printer is powered up, you need to select the language. Let's select English. Let's select the country and region to be USA. We can set the date. The next step is to fill tanks. Let us now fill the ink tanks. The bottles has been removed from the vacuum pack. We'll show you how to fill the ink tanks by starting off with the black ink bottle. First, open the cover and lift up the tank cap. Next, open up the black bottle ink and invert it over to the spout of the ink tank. You can see that the ink is starting to fill up the tank. Once the ink tank is filled, remove the bottle from the spout. And close the ink tank cap. Repeat the same procedures for the other yellow, magenta and cyan ink tanks. Now that the ink tanks are filled, you can close the outer cover. The control panel is showing that the tanks are filled. Touch OK to continue setup. Next, we will install the printheads. To install the printheads, there's a help video that you can watch, but we can skip that. Let us remove the printheads from the packaging. This is a black, and there's a notch over here where you can tear. And this is the tricolor printhead. To install printheads, you need to open the outer door and then open the carriage access door. Once you open the cartridge access door, the carriage will move to the center. You will see an orange piece. You need to turn it to the right. Next, you will see that there's an arrow on the blue latch. You need to press it down. Finally, you need to remove the orange piece. Discard the orange piece. The next step is to install the printheads. We'll start with the tricolor. Remove the plug and the tape. Load in the tricolor printhead by pushing it in until it snaps in place. Repeat for the black printhead. Once the printhead is installed, push down the blue latch and close the cartridge access door as well as the outer door. The next step of the setup is to load paper. To load paper, first lift up the input tray, which is at the back of the printer. Next, ensure that the paper width adjuster is pushed all the way to the left. Then take a stack of plain paper and load it into the input tray. On the control panel, it has detected that we have installed genuine HP cartridges. The next step, after loading the paper, it will prompt us to align the printer. Select OK. At this point, you can pull out the output tray. This is the alignment page that has been printed. You must scan this page for best print quality, and there are two steps to it. First is to lift the scanner lid and place the alignment page face down on the scanner glass as shown, and then close the lid and touch scan. Let's do that. Once the alignment page has been placed on the flatbed, touch Scan on the control panel. The alignment is successful. To complete the setup, you need to get the HP software at 123.hp.com. So this is how you unbox the HP SmartTank Plus 655 all-in-one printer. Fill the ink tanks, install print heads, load paper, print and scan an alignment page.